Hi! In this video, we're gonna see how to add stairs to your project and how to display them correctly. Let's start selecting a project. We enter a floor and we select a room. Then we go ahead and we tap on Insert Object. We scroll down to the folder called Structural. We select it, and here we can find all the stairs. We can pick the one that we like, for example here staircase, and we position it in the right place. In this case, I can see in the info section that the stair leads us to upper floor. Okay, it's fine because we're in the basement. Now let's change the floor and go, for example, into the first floor. Here we can go into the hallway and we tap again on Insert Object, and here I can go down to the structural folder again and also select a different kind of stair, or if I want to add the same stair, I will see it here in the recently used object, so I can also take it and put it in my room. You can also do, as I did right now, drag and drop the object. Here we can position it in this place. If we want, we can also resize using the fingertips, right? As you can see on my screen. And here on the side, we have also the width, depth, and height that can be changed inside this box. Okay, here we can decide if we also want to include the dimensions of the stairs in our PDF. We can say yes. And here we see that this stair leads us to the upper floor, but we want to change it. So we select it and we do lower floor. Okay, now let's close the info section and take a look in 3D. And we see that we have it. If you see that the direction is wrong, as in this case, no panic. Let's go back to 2D and rotate our stair like this. Let's have a look. Voila, you have the stairs displayed as intended. And just a little note, we double tap on the object and take a look here. We can also hide the arrow if we don't want to have it and we just want to see the steps. As simple as that, we're done. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.